Hey everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. I am so excited to share with you our Whale of a Time class to go. This class is going to be featuring the Whale of a Time suite, which is on page 96 of the annual catalog. It's specifically featuring the Whale Done bundle. So this bundle includes the stamp set and the punch. So the Whale Done stamp set is super cute. It has all of these wonderful images on there, and then it has a coordinating punch that goes with it where you can actually punch out the whale. Let me see, you can punch out a whale, and you can actually punch out some of the whales from the designer series paper. So this is such an awesome bundle. It's probably one of my favorite ones in the new annual catalog. This class will be featuring 8 fun folds that you could see in front of you right now. All of these fun folds will include a tutorial, written tutorial, and a video tutorial to kind of help with the process of making things. So you have multiple ways that you could participate in the class. We actually have 5 different options. The first option is going to include the Whale Done bundle, which is a necessary. You'll also get the coordinating designer series paper that will go with it. Plus, we are going to provide you with a whole brand new bolt of the Pool Party sheer ribbon. And then for free, we're including the Artistry Blooms adhesive back sequins. We love these sequins. We thought they coordinated really well with this suite. So that's why we're going to be including these for free when you purchase the class. So the first option will include all of this stuff and the make and take supplies to make the cards. If you already have the bundle, the Whale Done bundle, don't worry, you can still participate in the class. All you have to do is substitute the $31.50 it costs for this bundle, and then we'll charge you just for the other supplies in the class. If you're outside of the United States, don't worry. We also have the opportunity for you to purchase just the PDF tutorial, or the PDF and video tutorial, so you can follow along with your own supplies to make all of these wonderful cards. To participate in the class, all you have to do is visit the link in the description of this video and then register for whatever of the 5 options you would like to choose. You will get everything in here if you do decide to participate in that first option, which includes I want it all. It's really nice. That first option is actually $65, and I'm going to tell you why, okay? So the bundle itself, which is the Whale Done and the punch, is $31.50. Plus we have the ribbon, which is $7. Plus you're getting the designer series paper, which is $11.50, and you're getting a free packet of the sequins, which is normally about $6, I think. And you're getting all the supplies for this, and you're getting the tutorials to make the cards. So this alone is just such a great deal. You'll also notice that you will get priority shipping when you do purchase the class, which is $15.05. So that is a bulk of the price if you do want to sort it out that way. But overall, I think this is probably one of my favorite classes that we've ever made. It's such a fun, bright, friendly suite. It's a fun, bright, friendly suite. And we had to obviously coordinate some fun folds with them. I'll give you a preview of this one right here. Isn't that cute? It's so adorable. So make sure that you register as soon as possible. Payment will be due on July 22nd, and then we'll have all the supplies out for you the week of July 27th. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our email is stampingbay@yahoo.com. Otherwise, make sure you go over to our blog to register for the class before that July 22nd so we can get this out to you as soon as possible. Like I said, any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you, and we hope you enjoy this class. Bye!